This webinar will be covering Aspect's job update screen. Let us begin. The job update screen can be accessed in many different ways, the schedule being the most common. If we select a job on the schedule and right-click on it, the option for Open Job Update is available. When we select it, it opens the Job Update window. Alternatively, we can select Production, then Job Update in the side menu. Here we can enter data specific to the jobs, or look at previous ones. We can select a work center to see current jobs. Alternatively, we can enter the job ID to find current and past records. The screen shows us the work center the job is on, as well as details, like ID, and status. In this case, it shows that the job is running. We also see job data, like yield, tool info, and start and estimated completion date and time. The blue underlined text is a link to the relevant section, such as work request, shown here. At the top, we have the option for carton label printing. We will cover this in detail in another lesson. We then have Print Job Report and Job Report Print Preview. If you want to preview the job report before printing, then the preview screen has a print button of its own. The report can act as a traveler for the job, and has a lot of key information about the job and resources. We then have several tabs that hold important information about the jobs. We will briefly run through these. Materials produced. This allows for manual or scanning entry of yield. We can also add or view various material tests here. Downtimes. This is an alternative way of viewing and accessing the acknowledgement of downtimes by individual machine rather than all machines together. Job comment. Entering a job comment records this comment permanently against the specific job here. You can also add comments from this window. Actions. Actions allocate responsibilities against issues that need to be attended to in the factory. All actions relating to jobs will be seen here and can be added here. Material batches. Material batches entered in the terminal can be found here or entered here. Cycles. The graph shows planned production cycle with a solid orange central line and orange dashed lines as our upper and lower tolerances. The actual machine performance will be traced with a blue line. Zooming graph. With the mouse, click on the graph at the top left of the part of the graph that we would like to zoom in on. Now moving the mouse diagonally downwards and to the right, we release the button when we get to the area we want to magnify. Reversing this action will return the graph to full view. Preparation checks. These are checks that can be set up to be done prior to job starting. These are visible and functional at the tablets. You can set it that the job cannot be started unless checks are completed. This is done in Preparation Checks under Setup on the left menu bar. Alert. The alert function is there to enable the operator to alert his supervisor of an issue without having to leave the machine, as well as recording any issues that arose during the job. Job summary. This is a detailed view of the job and all of its metrics. OEE. Here we get a picture of the job's OEE while running and once complete. Machine log. The machine log tab allows a view of the machine activity, that is time and date stamped. Here you will see cycles, rejects and cycle time. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.